What you doing, Mirai-chan? Oh, I'm packing for summer vacation. Where are you going? The beach. No, you can't go to the beach. Why not? It's dangerous. We are in a state of emergency. Because of COVID-19? Exactly. We are supposed to stay home. That's okay. I'll wear a mask. Wearing a mask helps, but it doesn't replace social distancing and self-isolation. But I can't get it anyways, I'm a doll. Yes, but you can pass it on to others like Nechan, and she could die. I hate this virus. What you looking for, Mirai-chan? Do you know where the tape measure is? I got it here. What do you need it for? I need to measure my feet. Why? Because I need to be 6 of them away from you. You know, social distancing. No, Mirai-chan. It needs to be the human 6 feet. That's a lot of feet. I think I need adult supervision. All the time. Plus, it doesn't work for us because we live together. It means you should stay at least 6 feet away from people you don't live with. Oh, that's good because our house is too small. Mirai-chan, your music is too loud. Oh, there you are, Miku-chan. How long am I supposed to wash my hands for? Minimum of 20 seconds. 3.33 minutes! What? What are you talking about? I said 20 seconds. Yeah, but I have 10 pairs of hands here. Did you use them all at once? No, just these two. Then those are the ones you need to wash. Oh. Silly me. Are you going somewheres? Yeah, since I can't go to the beach, I thought I'd stay over at Infinity's house. No, you can't. But it's just next door. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you stay home. I've been staying home for 2 months now. I'm tired of eating, sleeping, and playing video games all day. I'm going Shacky Wacky. You could help me clean the house. Or you could do your homework. I'm not that desperate yet. We can make takoyaki together. Okay, nummy. I thought you're tired of eating. Nah, I'm all better now.